Okay, second client of the day has just turned up with his Yamaha Blackmax. This is, I did his friend's bikes the other day, so he thought he would treat this to one of our legendary Trot Full Monty valets. We are going to put some ceramic on it once it's all cleaned up. We'll get these wheels sorted out. We'll have to touch up a few rusty nuts and bolts here and there. Get that exhaust all polished up, all the usual bits and pieces which are included in one of our Full Monty valets. This is a 2012 model, so is in desperate need of a bit of Trot TLC. Get all that windscreen debugged, polished, ceramic, get it looking like it should. There you go, 3 hours on this Yamaha 530 T-Max. She was in desperate need of some loving. Touched up all the rusty nuts and bolts, bits and pieces. Everything's had ceramic on it and XCP corrosion protection. All the exhaust has been polished. All the rusty nuts and bolts at the back have been sorted. What a transformation on this beast. I said every little speck of this has had ceramic on it. We polished up the windscreen. Looking good. 3 hours on the dot. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.